How to use Capcut templates on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up TikTok. Now tap on the shorts icon. Now type Capcut templates. Now simply tap on shorts at the bottom right corner. Now select your Capcut template. Now tap on try this template. Now click on use template in Capcut. Now wait for some time. Now tap on use template. Now select your medias. Now tap on next when you're done. Now wait for some time. Now once you're done, simply tap on export at the top right corner. Now tap on export without watermark. Now wait for some time. Now from this page you can select your story or tap on post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.